Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up identity protection with LifeLock for insurance claims, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the LifeLock website. Locate the option to create a new account. Click on Get Started or Sign Up. Fill in your personal information in the required. Provide your full name, address, and date of birth. Input your email address and create a strong password. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Select your preferred plan that fits your needs. Enter your payment information to complete the purchase. Once your account is set up, log into your LifeLock account. Navigate to the section for Identity Protection Settings. Activate Identity Theft Protection Services. You may be prompted to provide additional personal information for enhanced protection. Next, set up alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. Customize your alert preferences based on your comfort level. Link any financial accounts you wish to monitor. Review and confirm all settings to ensure they meet your needs. Take advantage of the additional resources provided by LifeLock. Schedule regular check-ins on your account for peace of mind. Familiarize yourself with the claims process provided by LifeLock. Keep all important documentation related to your identity securely stored. Follow the guidelines provided during your initial setup for optimal protection. You're now set up with LifeLock for identity protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.